Writing in Voice by Jocelyne, Vasquez, and Hayden, Brogdon. Each of us naturally resonates to one pitch, and we're often afraid of the resonance with other frequencies. Being more flexible with resonance doesn't only help our speech, but it creates a soothing tone in writing. Passages with strength, resonance, and power can jump out at a reader, and this is called voice. Exploring more memories, more thoughts, and more feelings can help you achieve voice in your writing. Most people have power or voice in only certain types of passages, but as they experiment and allow the power to spread, it can become available in other areas of writing. For example, you can start with an autobiographical writing and then transition your voice into expository writing as well. Most people have voice in their speech, but lack voice in writing. This is because writing is slower and involves making more decisions. Being harshly judged is why most people revise away their voice. Real voice is full of expression, liveliness, and energy, whereas no voice is dead and lacks rhythm and individuality. Examples of people who frequently have voice but not real voice are announcers, salesmen, and preachers. They use various voices to appeal to certain audiences, but this can cause lack of authenticity when writing. Real voice can violate patterns of speech. It can show up in vague words and even lack sincerity, but it can still achieve resonance as that comes from the center of a writing. Our writing lacks voice because we often stop in the middle of a sentence and end up changing our minds about what we're writing. To improve real voice, one must write frequently with confidence and be alone with a piece of paper. Lack of voice comes from a fear of badness. Caring about quality has two meanings. First, it can imply that you have a hunger to stamp out failure and ugliness, or secondly, it can imply that you have hunger for excellence. If you want to achieve excellence in your writing, you must first accept that terrible writing will be produced and then allow yourself to use feelings and experience in your tone. It is impossible to completely get rid of badness in writing. So rather than focusing on the badness, focus on the excellence. We must stop playing it safe and simply jump over the edge to take risk. Writing with real voice will get feedback, even if it is bad writing. But writing with no voice won't get anyone's attention. Real voice comes from growth and development, rather than learning, therefore. The more we write, the more voice we will have.